Welcome to Learn with Dina. Microstructure and iron carbon diagram. This is the iron carbon diagram. We will consider the periodic range where the liquid plus delta ion is transformed to austenite at 0.18% carbon at the temperature range of 2720 Fahrenheit. In practice, the cooling rate of transform from liquid to austenite are slow enough. It requires continuous adjustment in composition of the phases required for equilibrium. So consider this alloy. Let us divide the A, M, B into finite number of delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3 and delta 4. When the liquid enters the liquidus line, the first solid is formed on solidification. The composition of solid phase should shift along delta 1 to delta 4 on the order. Diffusion of atoms inside the solid phase is required to bring about composition changes. So the solid formed earlier at higher temperature does not changes its composition. So if we see the composition, it has a first of delta 1 and then the 2 and the delta 3 and in the order of 1 to 4 the composition solidifies. This phenomena is called coring. Now let us study the eutectoid range. Eutectoid range is the eutectoid line H is from 0.025 carbon to 6.67% carbon. The eutectoid is at 0.08% carbon, where the austenite transforms to alpha plus cementite. While transforming from austenite to alpha plus cementite at eutectoid point J, we can identify the composition of alpha and composition of cementite separately. The composition of alpha can be given by a simple lever rule, that is 6.67, that is the total composition minus the eutectoid composition 0.8 by the total composition 6.67 minus 0.025. So the alpha composition is 0.89 percentage, 89, which is 89 percentage, and the composition of the cementite can be given similarly 1 minus 0.889, which is 0.11. So when the austenite transforms to alpha plus cementite, we get a microstructure such as there will be certain alpha and cementite needle-like dendritic structure, and the total composition should be in this ratio. This is at eutectoid point. When moving from before the eutectoid point, that is austenite transfers bisect the HJ line. So there is lot more alpha in it. This study is called hypoeutectoid, that is from 0.025 to zero point 0.8, and the study after zero point 0.8 where the line of solidification bisects line JK, it is hyperreductoid. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our videos.